Welcome to this series of lectures on corrosion, its impacts on society and industry. My name is Dr. K. Ilayya Perumal. I am a corrosion and metallurgical consultant with a degree in metallurgy with specialization on corrosion from MIT, USA. We all live in a metal-based society. There are 85 metals as shown in the periodic table in this slide marked blue. All these metals react with the environment at different rates. This reaction is generally called corrosion. The most important example of corrosion is common rusting experienced by steel. This is a natural phenomenon leading to destructive attack. Even highly noble metals like gold and platinum also corrode, but at very low rate. In this slide, you can see the phenomenon of corrosion taking place on a steel plate by a drop of water bubble. The oxygen from the atmosphere dissolves in the water bubble, leading to corrosion and collectively producing rust. The rust is a common form of corrosion known to common man. Within the steel plate, electrons move around and bring about corrosion. In this process, the thickness goes down and then corrosion sets in. This principle is applicable to all metals. This you can see the common mm, experience of corrosion in this slide. The reinforcement steel bar in concrete construction gets corroded by the humidity of the atmosphere. So due to this corrosion, the staircase and also similarly bridges on railways, on sea coast, on rivers, they get damaged. It, Traveling on these bridges becomes dangerous when this corrosion is occurring. This is the common man's experience on corrosion. You will notice in this series of lectures, humidity and oxygen are essential for corrosion to occur. So when bridges and big structures are being erected on the sea bed or on the river bed, they have to design uh, against corrosion which is likely to occur. So corrosion becomes an important design consideration for engineering equipments. uh, all materials, including metals, ceramics, polymer, they degrade during service at different environments uh, like high humidity, high temperature, high chemical environment under different kinds of stresses, thermal stress, mechanical stress, electrical stress. So all these three factors lead to different aging mechanisms of the material. These mechanisms are normally corrosion, wear, fracture, fatigue, etc. In this series of lectures, we will talk only about corrosion. There are several industries which are experiencing corrosion as a major threat. I have listed some of these major industries in this slide. We will talk about in this course mostly about energy production and downstream chemical process industries. Energy production means oil and gas exploration, production and transport, and also power plant operation. Downstream chemical process industries mean oil refineries, fertilizers, petrochemical industries. In addition, The other areas mentioned in this slide, namely transportation, water distribution, electronic, etc., are also suffering from corrosion. For example, in the electronic industry, the wiring and connectors made of uh, noble metals like copper, silver, etc. lead to corrosion, and this process is called tarnishing. In this slide, one can see four common areas of industries which we will talk about in this series of corrosion, where corrosion is a very major threat. The, the gas turbine thermal power station, the offshore oil and gas industry platform, the sea-going ships, and a complex chemical industry like refinery and fertilizer plant, all these four suffer corrosion to a great extent. We will talk about in these four cases of industries in this series of lectures. The most common experience of corrosion is shown in this slide. A big municipal water pipeline suddenly burst during thickness reduction, and this gave a huge flood of water, making life difficult for a common man. You can see in this slide the pipe has burst, giving common water which we all use. During the years, the water has corroded the pipe inside and the pipe suddenly burst, giving rise to the flood. You can notice from this slide that even ordinary water which we all use is highly corrosive to steel pipe. So this is how corrosion affects the common man and corrosion affects the society. What you see in this slide is a huge tragedy due to corrosion in a chemical plant. In 1984, the carbide plant in Bhopal, India suddenly burst, giving rise to very poisonous vapor of chemical called MIC. And this chemical is poisonous and led to suffocation and death of a few thousand people nearby carbide plant. So this is an indication of how corrosion in chemical industry can be very serious to human living. So we should be all very careful that corrosion is a threat to our industries. What you see here is a very common tourist attraction, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Uh, this is about 130 years old. Dr. Gustave Eiffel, who designed and built this tower, uh, right in the beginning, he was concerned about corrosion of steel in a humid atmosphere like Paris city. So he has cautioned fight against the onset of corrosion is of utmost importance. So from this slide you can notice that common structurals are also likely to corrode due to the general atmosphere prevailing in urban areas. In this series of lectures, we will talk about various titles in different lectures. Some of these titles are given here. We start with the basic principles, theory of corrosion, which is important to understand the industrial problems. We will talk about factors affecting corrosion, forms of corrosion, corrosion testing, materials of construction, and industrial chemicals. We will also touch upon case studies of corrosion, how to prevent corrosion by various means, corrosion risk analysis and risk-based inspection, and finally corrosion management by top managers of industries. In this particular lecture, you can notice the key takeaways you benefit. Introduction to the subject of corrosion, its potential of causing huge problems to both society and industrial operations. Corrosion can be designed out and can be prevented by various protective measures. Thank you all for listening to this lecture. This book has been written by me and Professor V.S. Raja of IIT Mumbai. You can get details of corrosion failures in this book. This book has been published by John Wiley USA and is available through Amazon. Thank you again.